they're the ones you really like, the ones you've got on. So it's up to you.
Hey, welcome back or welcome to my channel. So today is going to be a very short video. I'm just going to be unboxing these items. To be fair, this item I've already unboxed it, I've already used it, so it's not really new, but I'm just going to show you what I got. And I'm going to be unboxing my Hermes purchase and my Louboutin shoes as well I got for my birthday, for myself. These items, besides the Hermes, is what I paid for with my own money. The Hermes, I paid for it with money that I got for my birthday. So stay tuned for the unboxing. So first item is my handbag that I got from MIRTA. The handbag that I got is in the design or style called Sarah. And honestly, my Italian isn't good, so I'm not going to try and pronounce anything. I'm not going to pronounce the name or anything, but I'll just show you. This is what it looks like. It comes in its own dust bag as well. So that's it. And it's handmade leather bag. So for the big reveal as well. So this is what it looks like. It has like a little lock and it has the key. This is what the back looks like. And then on the inside is the straps. So I'll just show you with the straps. And this is it. I will have another video up on me actually unboxing this and little clips of how it looks on as well. But this is it for now. So the next item is gonna be what I bought from Hermes. And the item that I bought was just a twilly. That was it. The reason why I bought the twilly is because like I just wanted something to put on the bag, and honestly the bag kind of resembles a Hermes bag. So I was like, I don't really want to have the bamboo or whatever that is. I'm assuming it's bamboo. I don't want to be like holding it for the whole time. Plus it's coming up to summer as well. Try and get like a bit of color going on with it. So within the box, it just came, well, not the box, the bag. It just came with the receipt. It's nothing branded or anything. It just feels textured. And then this is it. Oh, I forgot to say, with the bag, on their website, on MIRTA's website, the prices seem to fluctuate a lot. So I don't know if they're doing it with the daily currency, like exchange rates or something. But right now, the bag cost, as of me making this video, is £326. When I bought my bag, it cost £322. There's a £4 difference. And then I got a 20% off coupon, 20% off discount code. I just scoured the web to find one. So then I got my bag for £257.60. So 20% savings. And I do enjoy my bag so far. So I can't wait until it gets a bit more warmer and I can take it out for a bit of fun as well. So I'm going to show you now what the Hermes twilly looks like. And as I said, I love colorful stuff, so it's only fitting that I got something colorful. So this is the item. I don't know if you just heard my stomach growl, but yeah, I'm hungry. This is the twilly. It's upside down, it's upside down. So that's it. And then at the back, it just has the logo, and that's it. And this style is called Exposition Universal. So again, my French, look, my languages ain't good. I just speak English, and or I barely speak English, but yeah. This is what I got from Hermes. I'm not quite versed on how to tie it on your bag yet, but I'll look at some YouTube tutorials to tie it onto the bag when it comes up to summer. Well, when we can actually go indoors and so on and like actually enjoy ourselves outside. So I'm just wrapping it back up. So next it's Christian Louboutin, and again my French isn't there, so just bear with me. And I got this style Bingetta. Let me just double check. This is what it looks like. They gift wrapped it, well, they just wrapped it in a bow. I'm not sure if this is like a typical wrapping, but this is the wrapping that I got. And they just stick at the side. Your receipt just comes in like branded stationery, which is like a little wallet. So yeah, your receipt and like a little thing to tell you about, or you should be trying it on soft carpet so you don't scratch the soles if you decide to bring them back. And yes, Bingetta. I got it in a size 40. So we are going to unbox this now. Upside down. So the infamous dust bag that it comes with. Just a dust bag. But this is what they look like. Okay, I'm gonna try them on now for you guys to see what it looks like on my feet. Well, I don't have the prettiest toes right now, so I'm still gonna show you guys regardless. And these are like really nice. A little platform, so it should be easy for me to walk in. That was the whole point of it, is for me to get something that's like comfortable, that supports me. And this did look as though it supports well. It looked as though, well, when I tried it on in the store, it did support me, and I did like it was comfortable for me. So I'm just gonna, I think I'll insert that clip as well. Okay, I did take a little video. Let me try it on now. Make sure nothing on the bottom of my foot. Oh yes. Ooh. So this is what they look like on. Me standing in them, they feel comfortable. So I'm assuming like they're a bit tight at the toe bit, but after wear and tear or after wearing it, it will slacken up. So again, excuse how my feet look, but these are what the shoes look like. Well, there you have it. As I said, it will be a short video. It's just an unboxing and just to show you what the products look like that I've bought for myself for my birthday. So I hope you guys enjoyed it and not criticize too much about my French or my pronunciations or anything. But drop down in the comment section, say whatever you want to say. If you like it, if you dislike it, just interact. And until next time, see you guys. Bye.